In this video, you will learn the basics of quiz settings in the quiz creation process. To begin, open the Quizzes page. Next, click the Create a New Quiz button in the sidebar. With the Settings tab selected, enter the name of your quiz. Then, in the Rich Content editor, add and format instructions and content to introduce your quiz. Below the Rich Content editor, you have various options for your quiz. First, select the quiz type. A practice quiz can be used as a learning tool to help students see how well they understand the course material. A graded quiz is the most common quiz, and Canvas automatically creates a column in the gradebook for any graded quizzes you build. After a student takes a graded quiz, certain question types will be automatically graded. A graded survey allows the instructor to give students points for completing the survey, but does not allow the survey to be graded for right or wrong answers. Graded surveys also have the option to be anonymous. An ungraded survey allows you to get opinions or other information from your students, but they are not given a grade for answering. Ungraded surveys also have the option to be anonymous. Next, add the quiz to an assignment group. You can then select if you would like to shuffle the answers in your quiz questions by clicking the Shuffle Answers checkbox. Set a time limit for quizzes by checking the Time Limit checkbox and filling in the number of minutes students will have to complete their quiz. Allow students to take the quiz more than once by clicking the Allow Multiple Attempts checkbox. Within this option, you can also select whether to keep the highest score or the latest score. You can also set a maximum number of attempts students have to take the quiz. Allow students to see their quiz responses by clicking this checkbox. If you allowed multiple attempts on the quiz, you will be able to select whether students can only view their quiz results after their last attempt at the quiz. You can also let students see which of their answers were correct by clicking this checkbox. Restrict the quiz by access code or IP address by clicking the Restrict this quiz checkbox. You also have the option to show one question at a time and to lock questions after answering so students can't return to questions they have already answered. Below all of these options, you have multiple or varied due dates. This allows you to assign different due dates to various sections of your course. Do note, however, that sections need to be created before adding varied due dates. To add varied due dates, select one section in the drop-down and fill out the due date and availability dates. Then click the Add Due Date button to add additional due dates for other sections or everyone else. Make sure you click Save so you don't lose your changes. If you don't assign a due date for every section, you will see a warning message reminding you to add due dates for all sections. You can click the No Due Date button if you don't want to add due dates to the other sections, or click the Go Back button to go back and add due dates. You will then be taken to the Saved Quizzes page where you can move forward with adding questions and publishing your quiz. You've now completed this tutorial video on quiz settings. For additional information on this or any other topic about Canvas, just visit help.instructure.com. Also, if you have any feedback about this video, please share your thoughts at instructure.com/video survey.